Welcome, guys. This is Ayan from Foodgenics, and I have Deepak with me alongside. So, like today, we have the champs with us of this Gate 2021. These are the third year people. They have scored really well this time, being in third year, even after the competition has risen so many times. Okay, so today we are going to talk with them on how was their experience, and like they will be sharing a lot of stuffs with us. So first of all, before starting, we'd like to know from each one, like, can you please introduce yourself? Like everyone, you are from which college and from where you have done your schooling and all those things. A bit idea about yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good
I
evening.
am Amar. I am Amar Malge. Actually, I am from Mansar, which is from Pune district, Maharashtra, and I have done my schooling, junior college, and also all my education, basic education from here only. And now I am pursuing my BTech in food technology, and now I am studying in sixth semester.
Hi, I'm Samrin Kabir. I'm from Kolkata. I have completed my class 12 from Sri Aurobindo Institute of Education and I'm currently pursuing my BTech from Technomen Salt Lake, which is in the Knockout, and currently studying in my sixth semester of third year.
Good evening, sir. My
Yeah,
name
good
is
evening.
Rahul Patel. My name is Rahul Patel, and I am from Bihar, from Nalanda district. I have done my schooling from Project High School Katwari, which is located in Jharkhand, and 12th from Mahabodhi College Nalanda, which is located in Bihar. Now I am pursuing BTech in Food Technology, and my college name is Saint College of Agriculture Engineering and Post Harvest Technology, Ranipur, Sikkim, which comes under Central Agriculture University in Phal.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Nilesh Shivaji Gauri, and I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Aurangabad, and thereafter I have took admission for BTech Food Technology from Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapit, which is situated in Parbani, Maharashtra. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Great to hear from you guys.
Hi everyone, and first of all, congratulations to everyone for clearing gate in a third year. And tell us something, means what are your experience about the gate exam?
So I will tell first. So about GATE exam, especially about the examination hall. Initially, for an half an hour, I was little bit, uh, uh, I was in a situation of fearness, but thereafter I relaxed myself and I think last 2 hours was in my control, and I have whatever I have studied, I put out there everything, uh, but still I think there are certain areas where I can improve, and definitely this is just third year, but so this is where the Foodgenics that really helped us through mock test. So I think Rahul can share his experience.
ये सर फर्स्ट जब मैं एग्जाम हॉल में गया था जिस समय ओनली हाफ हाफ एन आवर के लिए तो कुछ फेयर महसूस कर रहा
Uh,
था, कुछ फेयर फील कर रहा था, बट मीन्स जब स्क्रीन पे क्वेश्चन आ गया तो और जो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का जो मैंने क्वेश्चन देखा तो रियली बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ सर, क्योंकि फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन रियली मीन्स मॉडरेट था सर। सारा क्वेश्चन मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन मतलब ऐसा कि नहीं पढ़ा हुआ है, मतलब सब ऐसा लग रहा है जैसा सारा पोर्शन मतलब जो पढ़ा हूँ उसी टॉपिक से आया है सर। और उतना
अच्छा,
मतलब
मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा कि कुछ कुछ अनकन्वेंशनल है।
ये सर मतलब और सारा नॉर्मल ही लग रहा था सर। उसके बाद जब मैंने क्वेश्चन मतलब और उसके बाद सर फर्क मीन्स पूरा पेपर में मेरे को सर मतलब कुछ डिफिकल्टी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं लगा सर। मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ ऐसा टॉपिक आ गया जिसको मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं हो, ऐसा मेरे साथ किसी भी टॉपिक में नहीं हुआ सर। तो और उसके बाद जब मैंने
हाँ,
फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन मतलब देखा उसके बाद फिर मैंने सर बहुत अच्छा फील किया, मतलब उतना बट सम मिस्टेक आई हैव डन इन कैलकुलेशन इन थर्मोडायनेमिक्स।
हाँ, तो यही सब जो एक्सपीरियंस है वही सब लर्न करने के लिए, जैसे कि थर्ड ईयर में अगर हो गया तो यू आर लकी, क्योंकि अभी एटलीस्ट तुम लोग का क्या गलती है, कैसे मतलब उस सिचुएशन में एग्जाम हॉल में क्या एनवायरनमेंट होता है, क्या प्रेशर हो, एटलीस्ट उनका आइडिया हो गया।
one more thing I will like to ask that when the result were announced, okay, so what was the first expression or how you guys felt after seeing that, yeah, you guys have cleared it being in third year and that too this time the cutoff being so high, like especially Amar, Rahul and Nilesh being from XE and Samrin is from Excel, that is life sciences. So especially the cutoff for XC going so high. So you guys have qualified. So what was your first expression or what was your feeling, just after the results were out?
So I and my friend Amar is from same college, and it was 8:30 p.m. So he called me, and he was means he told me that the result is announced, and go and check. And he also told me about the cutoff. So I was a little surprised that how this cutoff this went to 37 marks, and I was just thinking that he's just joking. And so I also told him just wrong numbers and of that marks. And he just went and announced it or share with the college group, and everybody was wishing me for the wrong marks. So that was my experience.
Yes, sir. I am feeling good, sir, because in this tough competition, I cleared my cutoff. Not so good marks, but clear my cutoff. This is my internal happiness, sir.
When I saw the result, actually I was not happy because I haven't scored up to the marks. But after that, that emotion came that yeah, I have cleared the gate and it's over now. I can't do it. So yeah, eventually I became happy.
Sir, it feels very happy and accomplished. As of now, I am in third year, so it was a great experience for me. Not for admission, but as experience, which I took as the best for our next preparation.
Yeah, that should be your spirit, guys, because that doesn't matter how much you have scored, but the fact is that like so many people have appeared for the exam and only very few have qualified, and that too you have competed with the fourth year people, then also like many droppers and all. So being in third year, you have cleared with a good margin. So that is, like something really great. So that should be your satisfaction for now. And whatever the things are like you have experienced and whatever your learnings were, so that you can apply in the upcoming year. So Deepak, you want to ask something?
So guys, everyone have given the gate, and so what your idea means? Why you thought of preparing for gate exam, and how you came to know about this team food genics?
हेलो सर, मीन्स मेरा फर्स्ट माइंड में ये क्लियर था कि मेरे को आईआईटी तो जाना ही है सर, क्योंकि मैं जब फर्स्ट बार मैंने जब जेई दिया था तो उसमें मेरा जेई एडवांस क्लियर नहीं हुआ था सर, नॉट गुड मार्क्स. But in that time, I decided I will go to IIT college. But and that time I decided I will go only from GATE exam, only through GATE exam. और मेरे को एक्चुअली फूड जेनिक्स का आई नो फूड जेनिक्स वन ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम फ्रेंड. She tells about food genics. Food genics provides weekly plan and provide mock test, and after it she gives number Ayan sir and Subham sir. Then I contact Ayan sir, and Ayan sir that time Ayan sir helped me a lot. Means from where you have to start food technology part and thermodynamics. That time really found such a good platform, and that is really I have found.
Thanks for such wise words, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
So, and also I love your attitude. Chahiye to chahiye, aisa. So that should be everyone's
Yes, sir.
attitude.
Being in a second year, uh, there was very clear idea in my mind that I have to pursue masters. And why masters? So being just having food technology BTech degree, you will not have much more area to explore. Coming to how I get to know about food genics. So there are some seniors which are studying masters through ICT, and they were constantly giving tips and guidance.
So I want to pursue research in my near future. So GATE comes in its way. So I want to do my intake before pursuing a PhD. So I have given GATE. So that's it. And I have came to know about Foodgenics from one of my alumni who is a co-founder in the Foodgenics team. So from there I came to know from this group.
I started, sir. Actually, I decided to do masters during my second year. So I started reading basic books like Shakuntala Mane, Fraser, Norman Potter, as we all know that, to clear my basics. And about Foodgenics, how do I know? It's quite a bit interesting. Shubham sir, our Shubham manager sir, our co-founder at Foodgenics, they have interviewed with Ari Birsad sir on YouTube channel. So I take their email ID from that and text and send them mail. So after 3 to 4 months, I got a call back from Shubham manager sir, as you are interested in a get HC, get food technology. So we are starting a mentorship. So I decided to take it as an opportunity, and I joined Foodgenics, and so result is now.
Okay, that sounds great. Uh, so Deepak, do you have any questions for them?
जैसे सभी लोग अभी थर्ड ईयर में हो एंड देयर आर नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स यू हैवंट गॉन थ्रू योर college that is in your GATE syllabus. So how did you manage all those subjects during your GATE preparation?
So obviously, there were some topics which was not touched by us because we are just in third year. So Foodgenics and their whole team, like they were constantly, giving tips and guidance through means like which book we have to refer, which topics we have to stress more, and which topic we have just overlook. And through this process, we never felt like there were such topics which were troubling us. And so I think this was the whole idea to tackle any topic like uh, uh, this was the whole process, I think.
हेलो सर, मेरे को ये तो क्लियर हो गया था सर कि गेट में फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, और और फूड जेनिक्स का मॉक टेस्ट के हेल्प से ये भी पता हो गया था कि किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन से पूछा जाता है। तो इसलिए मेरे को कोर्सेज में सब्जेक्ट नहीं भी थे सर, उसको ओनली फॉर मैं आई मतलब मैं बेसिक को बस क्लियर करना चाहता था सर। जस्ट लाइक फर्स्ट पैकेजिंग सब्जेक्ट मेरा नहीं हुआ, तो हमको बस पैकेजिंग का बस बेसिक क्लियर करना था सर, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि अगर मेरा बेसिक क्लियर रहेगा सर तो मैं उस क्वेश्चन में कुछ कर सकता हूँ। तो फूड जेनिक्स के हेल्प से मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प मिला सर, क्योंकि फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में इन दिस गेट 2020 ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस आर न्यूमेरिकल सर, बाकी रिमेनिंग थ्योरी पार्ट से पूछा था सर। तो
Yeah.
मैं फर्स्ट मॉक से मैं गेट फूड जेनिक्स का मैं फर्स्ट मॉक से स्टार्ट किया था सर, और मैं आई थिंक टोटल 15 या 17 मॉक्स मैंने अटेंड किया फूड जेनिक्स का सर। तो इन एवरी मॉक्स आई गोट फूड टेक्नोलॉजी थ्योरी क्वेश्चन सर, and after and food genics provide also mock test answer sir. Those answer help me a lot to revising food technology theory part sir. And
Okay.
after means every time some questions are repeated, some concepts are repeated, then I study those lines, my theory, then my food technology theory are in my mind also revision, and I note down that point those points which are new for me, and those point I added in my notes.
Sir, actually, I am not studied all the courses as we are in third year. So everyone here is not studied all courses. But I follow all the weekly plans and exact syllabus provided by the Foodgenics team, which is actually strictly related to the syllabus of the GATE. So it helps us a lot for our preparation. Uh, Also, if I have some query or some questions, I post on a Foodgenics group or ask to mentor, they can resolve all our doubts. So it helps me a lot. Also, I took full length mock test, and I joined Foodgenics from June, I think, first batch. So
Yeah.
I get to prepare whole syllabus.
You guys were really consistent, I must say, because consistency is really important in this exam. And from the beginning only, I have seen all of you being very consistent. So that is one of the key in your success, I must say.
About completing the syllabus in third year, I like to give the credit to the team of Food Genetics, because without that, I don't think that I would be able to complete the syllabus. And the idea was not completing actually whole of the syllabus, but actually grasping 80% of it, because it was not possible in third year to complete whole of the syllabus. It's a very big syllabus. So yeah, I
Exactly.
like the way the food genics helped me dividing the whole of the syllabus in weekly wise, so that I can complete it. I achieved the goals weekly given by them. I didn't i didn't have to really search for the resources from which I have to read or I have to go through. All the materials were available in the group, so that was a huge advantage, because most of us remain confused with what to read and from where to read. So in that portion it really helped, and the weekly plans was really good, because first time in my life I'm able to achieve goal wise targets. So the weekly plan was really good, and the idea was not about completing whole of the syllabus, but rather to have a good grip on about 80% of it, because it was not possible for me in my third year to complete whole of the syllabus 100% of it. So yeah, I did about 80% of it, and I practiced it. So yeah, the credit goes to the team of Food Chinese, and all of the mentors helped me well. They were so supportive throughout my preparation time. Thank you for that. And yeah, I was consistent learner. I never gave up. That also aid to my preparation, that I can say.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And we are really proud the whatever you guys have achieved. So, like, one thing I want to ask all of you that during the preparation, which subject was kind of a really difficult for you, and how you were able to tackle that particular subject? Which was the most difficult subject for you during the preparation?
So I think for me, engineering mathematics was difficult. So, sir, there was two three topics which was I was little bit confident about them, such as linear algebra, probability, and there were again few topics like calculus, which was I have little bit fear about them. And so I was just thinking, and I had a plan that I will tackle maths question at the end.
Sir, mathematics, sir.
Okay, so mathematics is a common difficulty. Okay.
पर मैथमेटिक्स मैं बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा था सर, और जो कि मैथमेटिक्स एट द फाइनल एग्जाम में मेरे को भी धोखा दिया. only two only two subjects I help more, sir, more help a lot: food technology and thermodynamics, sir. This, or my strong point is thermodynamics, sir.
So how was the assistance from the food genics team in thermodynamics?
Yes, sir, thermodynamics really, sir, if I see during mock test question, thermodynamics part is very really good collection of questions, sir. Means every concept, means every mock different types of questions are framing. Means जो concept of जो question का collection होता था, question collections are really very good. Means, or that's when I really when solve the mock test question, that I means मैं ऐसा feel करता था मैं actual gate exam का question ही solve कर रहा हूँ. और जो क्वेश्चन का जो कलेक्शन होता था सर, बहुत ही अच्छा होता था. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड आ गया है, कोई क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा टफ आ गया है, ऐसा नहीं. बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन का जो लेवल होता था बिल्कुल मॉडरेट मेंटेन किया गया था सर, जस्ट लाइक गेट एग्जाम. दिस इज रियली हेल्प मी अलॉट. आई एंड मेरे को जो थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का जो ये जो स्ट्रेटजी था, मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया फाइनल एग्जाम में भी सर. और दैट्स फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का भी जस्ट लाइक सेम सर. जो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का जितना भी क्वेश्चन मैंने जो फूड जर्नलिस्ट का मॉक में जो अटेम्प्ट किया था सर, और रियली जो क्वेश्चन का कलेक्शन था बहुत अच्छा था सर. एमएसक्यू क्वेश्चन देखा जाए तो एमएसक्यू क्वेश्चन में भी बहुत सही क्वेश्चन का कलेक्शन किया गया था सर. और उस क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया था मेरे को एट द फाइनल एग्जाम में भी सर. और जो जो कंसेप्ट में जो छोटा छोटा मिस्टेक करता था मॉक में, वो सब मेरे को फाइनल एग्जाम में याद आ जाता था कि यहाँ पे ये गलती नहीं करना है सर.
Oh, thanks for your wise words, Rahul. And also, like the thermodynamics mentor will be very happy to hear
Yeah,
from you
that's
that.
really great to
Hmm.
hear all those things from you.
So Samrin can go next.
I faced difficulty in two portions. One is food engineering part, another is biochemistry. Food engineering was difficult for me when I started preparing for it, but slowly I came into the process because as the mock test went by, my concepts got more and more clear. And thanks to Ayan sir and Shubham sir for clearing my all of the doubts whenever I reached out to them. They were very helpful. And the set of questions regarding food engineering portions which were there through all of the mock test and to in also in the full length mock test also, it was very there was very clear junction where I can identify that yeah, over here there is a twist, and it covered already everything that one can assure of before giving an exam. It was really good of the mock test which cleared my concepts more, and thanks to the mentors who have helped me so much for achieving that. uh, because before 2 or 3 months I was not so confident with the food engineering portion, but eventually when I practiced the mock test papers again and again, I became more confident, and in the day of the exam I was confident that yeah, if anything comes I can surely do that. And another subject is biochemistry because it was a whole new subject for me. So eventually I was only through the theory portion, I was not able to apply my knowledge. So I was just only reading. But the questions which came in the mock were very problem solving based type questions, which helped me to analyze myself to apply my knowledge and to see that whether I'm able to apply it and get the result or not. So that were very helpful. And thank to Shumanta sir for helping me so much, because all the questions regarding Excel portions was so evaluating that it created a depth knowledge about the problem solving portion, which was main troubleshooting point in the exam paper.
Yeah, good to know that whatever we have prepared, it was really helpful for you. And always you can improve. And next year, I'm sure that in those portions, you will be able to do better in the upcoming exam. So I think Amar will go next.
Engineering mathematics, I have too many doubts on engineering mathematics. And मतलब इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स ऐसा मानो कि कुछ किया ही नहीं था स्टार्टिंग में 2-3 मंथ्स। उसके बाद जब फाइनल एग्जाम में आया, प्रिपेयर करके गया था लास्ट 2-3 मंथ्स में, लेकिन जब फाइनल एग्जाम आया तो at last 30 minutes I decided to take engineering mathematics, remaining that from food engineering and thermodynamics I get all score. Food engineering I used to take guidance from you answer, and for thermodynamics and other subjects, Shubham sir, Deepak sir, they are always guided us. And also I have some anything then I post on our group. If anyone can't solve, then mentors reach us. So thank you Foodgenics for their constantly support and guidance. Also I like to appreciate their full length mock test. From weekly mock test, full length mock tests are uh, strictly with the GATE syllabus and just like GATE paper. MSQ आपके पेपर में बहुत सारे MSQ रहते थे, जो कि इस साल IIT बॉम्बे ने सबसे ज़्यादा MSQ डाले। इससे पहले MSQ ज़्यादा इतने आए नहीं थे। So we can prepare well for that MSQ also. And थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में तो पूरा न्यूमेरिकल से बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स आए थे, लेकिन जो कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन आप मॉक टेस्ट में सेट करते थे, सेम लाइक मॉक टेस्ट क्वेश्चन एंड फाइनल गेट क्वेश्चंस, difficulty level moderate, not too much easy or not too much high. So it helps us a lot during our preparation. So we can get enough marks for cracking GATE.
So thank you guys for sharing all these things. So guys, during your preparations, what do you think? How was your interaction with your with all the mentors of Team Foodgenics?
मेरे को सर कोई भी क्वेश्चन में जब मेरे को डाउट होता था सर, तो मैं टेलीग्राम में पर्सनली से सारे मतलब सारे मेंटर्स सर को मैं सेंड कर देता था, और डाउट जल्दी रिजोल्व हो जाती थी सर। अगर उससे भी नहीं डाउट मेरा क्लियर होता था तो समाज मतलब मेंटर लोग सर वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करके मेरे को सेंड करते थे, जिससे मेरा और डाउट क्लियर हो जाता था। और कुछ कुछ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का डॉट में तो सर ऐसा हुआ था कि मेरे को पर्सनली कॉल करके बताए थे शुभम सर और दीपक सर कि इस क्वेश्चन में तुमको इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन में कुछ इस टाइप का कंसेप्ट लगाओगे तब तुम्हारा सही हो जाएगा। That's and IELTS really helped me in food engineering part sir, and how to means different variety of questions means किस क्वेश्चन में किस टाइप का कंसेप्ट का यूज करना है सर, उससे मतलब आपसे पता चला सर मेरे को कि किस टाइप को और किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन में से किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन को मतलब इनिशिएशन करना है, इनिशिए जो इनिशियल फेज होता है सर कैसे करना है, वो मेरे को आयन सर ने सिखाया था फूड इंजीनियर स्पेशली फॉर फूड इंजीनियरिंग सर। दैट हेल्प्स मी लॉट।
Thanks for your words, Rahul.
Again, mentors were there to solve our doubts. There were, as I mentioned earlier, there were groups on Telegram, and so I was every time I had a dilemma regarding my studies, I was putting it onto the group. I would like to thanks Arjit sir for fluid mechanics, and for maths madam. Again, there were Ayan sir and Shubham sir, who were there for food engineering and food chemistry. So overall, my experience regarding doubt solving was great.
Sir, I would like to add one point in Nilesh and Rahul. Sir, especially I would like to thank you and Deepak sir when you are Foodogenics is a mentorship, but also on mentorship on our request, you can take one revision class on heat transfer answer, and Deepak sir on first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics. So that classes also online classes also. So it helps us a lot to revise the things and also ask doubt to you that are in our mind. So thank you for that. And remaining part about interaction with mentors. So mentors, sir, especially I am sir, you are so much motivated person. I always when our college exams are going on, I think 13th of Feb, our GATE exam held on
Yeah.
3 to 12th. On 3 to 12th, our semester final exams, fifth semester exams are
Hmm.
running on 3 to 12th. On so I used to so I message I text you about that, and so you are in one sentence you are finished all the doubt. आपके लिए क्या important है, गेट या सेमेस्टर एग्जाम? सो मुझे वो सेंटेंस बहुत बहुत पसंद है. So I used to take only I give 2 hours for exam preparation and remaining bit 4 to 5 hours for revision.
Talking about the mentors of Foodgenics, all of them helped me very much for during the course of my preparation. Not only they cleared my doubts, especially I would like to mention the name of Answer for clearing my doubts in food engineering portion, Anirudh sir, Shubham sir in food portion, and Shumantra sir in biochemistry portion. They have really helped me well. Uh, Apart from my academics, they have also taken care of my mental health. They have supported me emotionally. And I remember that on my initial days of preparation, I was a bit jumbled up with my strategy. I was not so good with it. So they have personally guided me. So how strategically I can write a paper, because that was very important, because in gate exam we will be having some questions which will be hard, which will be out of the topic, which will be easy. So how to tackle all of those things I've learned from my mentors. They have helped me really, and the webinars have always boosted me up that yeah, I can do it, and have kept me a consistent learner. So yeah, thanks to all of my mentors and the Progenics team for guiding me so well.
Yeah, thanks, Samri. It's already, like a very long interview. So, the last thing that I want to ask you all is that, like, now as you are in third year, so, like, next year also you are going to give the exam. So what are the things you feel you need to improve on yourself, and also what will be your message for the your juniors and peers so that they can also do well in the exam, as you have already experienced many things this year itself. So what will be your suggestion to others? So Samreen can go first maybe.
Um, so what I have analyzed after giving GATE 2021, that I'm lacking practice in some of the areas. In some of the areas, I'm lagging concept, and I need more practice. So that's how I'm going to deal with it for my near future GATE 2022. And for all of the juniors and peers who are out there for preparing GATE, I want to tell them two things. First, there is no shortcut for learning. There is no shortcut for acquiring knowledge. So you have to be patient. You have to keep that patient and go on learning and have to be consistent. And second thing is that never give up. Instead of telling this to yourself, tell yourself that let's give a try again, because that can bring out wonders.
हेलो सर, मैं सबसे पहले ये बोलना चाहूँगा सर कि जो मीन्स फर्स्ट डेली डेली प्लान और वीकली प्लान और मंथली प्लान लेके सर चलना चाहिए हम लोग को, और हम लोग को डेली बेसिस पे काम करना चाहिए और कंसिस्टेंसी को थ्रू आउट द इंटायर प्रिपरेशन हमें मेंटेन करना है। इफ कंसिस्टेंसी अगर मेंटेन नहीं करेंगे तो पूरा हमारा जो स्टडी है सर उससे ब्रेक हुआ तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है सर। तो हमें कंसिस्टेंसी सबसे पहले मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, और जो भी हम जो जिस टाइम हमारा स्टडी कर रहे होते हैं सर, जो भी टॉपिक को हम स्टडी करते हैं उसका रिवीजन भी बहुत जरूरी होता है सर। फॉर रिवीजन रिवीजन के लिए हमें अपना नोट्स बनाना पड़ता है फॉर ऑल नोट्स, बिकॉज इन दिस फाइनल मीन्स जब हमारा एग्जाम जब फाइनल गेट एग्जाम रहेगा सर उसके पहले एक महीने पहले हम सारा अगर हम बुक से स्टडी करते हैं सर तो बुक को हम सारा पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं एक साथ। तो इसलिए हम ज्यादा मैं प्रीफर करता हूँ मैं अपना ओन नोट्स बनाने के लिए सर। मैं सारा इसके लिए मतलब फूड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के लिए मैंने अपना ओन नोट्स बनाया था सर, और रिमेनिंग जो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी पार्ट जो होता है, फूड केमिस्ट्री, फूड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, फूड इंजीनियरिंग, सबके लिए मैंने अपना नोट्स बनाया था सर। और ये जो होता है जो रिविजन और कंसेप्ट क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस, दिस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
So I think for any aspirant, there is a few things which he need to focus, like hard work and consistency is a key. Where if he or she maintains consistency and hard work, anything is possible. But on the basis of my own experience, I think there are a few things like previous year question papers. Means every individual should analyze all those questions, and these are the standard questions.
Technical part, I am not going, as Nilesh, Rahul, and Samril already covered that about revision or short notes, वगैरह. So I just want to tell you, find your weaknesses, weaker parts. So I want to share my experience, own experience. I lose too much marks in aptitude and maths, and also silly mistakes. I lose around 5 to 6 marks in 2021 due to silly mistakes. So focus on silly mistakes during mock test or preparation. And very important suggestion is that don't let your hobbies or passions due to your get exam, because I saw so many students, they I can't do anything else, I only want to prepare for gate. So follow your habits and passions, but in limited time. That can boost your preparation. It also relaxes your mind, so but in limited time.
Thanks a lot, Amar. So, like, we are almost towards the end. So, it was great talking with you guys. And, like, you all are the superstar of Foodgenics, I must say. And I'm sure next year you guys are going to score even better, whatever you have did this year, and make us even more proud. So, best wishes to all of you. So, if Deepak wants to
Thank
share
you.
something else, you can.
Yeah, first of all, thank you everyone for sharing your opinions and thoughts, because it will be very helpful for the others who are want to give gate exams in next year. So all those your thoughts, opinions will definitely help you and definitely solve some of the doubts they already have in their mind. So thank you guys for sharing your experience, your view. Thank you so much. And And best wishes for next year. I will wish that next year you will come with a great rank.
Yeah, thanks, Deepak. So finally, thanks to all of you for taking out time for this. So best wishes once again. So with this, we end this video and thanks for watching.